Hello, Lady Christmas is back. I had really rough 2020 year, and I really miss you all, guys. But I couldn't come and do my video, so I'm planning to do it this year. Start working very hard, God's will. One of my friend lost tree topper, and now we're helping him with this tree topper. So we're decorating only top of that tree topper, which is will go on original tree, and the next video I will show you where it will be in a tree. So basically, you're taking all these branches like that and secure it with pipe cleaner, and then stick it here in a tree topper. And you have to control it how high you want it or how low you want it. And spread it a little bit around like that. It's very simple tree topper, anybody can do it. Oops, we'll find brand new thing. Then I'm show you that bow. Which one you will be putting around that tree topper like that, and tied it really good in the back. Then you just spread out and make it look pretty. And how thick you want, it's just for you. My friend don't want too thick, so you see that bow? You just, mechanic has to be covered, so we will put it under all these ribbons. And then I just show you one, but you have to do 3 bows around. One here and another one right here. So the same way, just wire it with pipe cleaners. Here's pipe cleaners. And when you will wire it with pipe cleaners, it will stain around and cover all mechanic downstairs. Also, you can decorate it with some other colors if you want. Just put it here and spread it out a little bit. And I will add one white one. Just to give little pump, because on tree we will have some white ornaments too. Just play with that. Play, and I don't use any hot glue here. Hot glue absolutely unnecessary. When you have this ribbon to tie it, then don't forget to fluff your bow if they're from last year, like this one. Don't forget to fluff it. And tree very pretty, it's champagne color, and I will show you when that top will be on a tree, how it look like, how decorate that tree. So take that bow, another bow, and fluff it like that. Fluff, 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 fluff. And then tied it like that with pipe cleaner, and another one from another side. So 1, 2, 3. And that your tree top already. If something's sticking out, just put it inside, because don't forget, we will have a lot of ornaments and a lot of other ribbons and bow and flowers, because it's floral tree. And if you don't want too high, you can push it down as much as you want. But don't forget to spread it like that in different areas. You see that? Your tree top already. And make sure face up. Your ribbons face up. It will look like little bride ready to get married. Also, you can add a little bit burgundy here, a little bit white to make it look like snow. For me, that size already good, but if you can do any size you want. Thanks for watching. We have little dogs here, really cute, and they want to be right here with us. So, and I will see you in another video when I will do tree, and I will put this tree topper on tree. Thank you for watching.